Friends, here we are in Sri Lanka and we have our friend Ruwan here with us who's telling us how do we process cinnamon. Please tell us, Ruwan.
Yes, okay. Sir, cinnamon tree, cinnamon bark. I have two layers. First layer clean. First layer clean, sir. No eating from post fertilizer. First layer clean. No eating from post fertilizer. Excuse me, cinnamon island. Welcome, drink cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea without sugar, without tea powder.
In between we get cinnamon tea.
Only cinnamon powder and normal water mix with 10 minutes boiling. Are good for sugar, cholesterol, diabetic level control. That one good. So first layer clean, no eating from post fertilizer.
So these are all cinnamon forests around us.
Yes.
Okay.
So smell.
Should I smell it?
Yes.
Pure cinnamon. I get a chance to smell it.
No. Second layer cinnamon very hard. Sun copper stick. Here brass. Here brass making soften. Remove the cinnamon easy. No
Okay.
machine, not manual.
Then you make a cut in it. Huh?
Yes.
Guys, you can hear the waves of water in the background
Yeah.
as Ruwan is carefully peeling off the delicate skin. It requires years and years of learning the skill. It's not that you learn in a single day.
Yeah, first layer clean compost fertilizer, second layer only one cinnamon.
Okay.
This one finish.
All right.
I use a firewood.
Now what?
Fire.
Fire.
Yes, and cinnamon toothpick very famous Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Some decoration here, anyone not cinnamon.
So this is what we generally use in spices.
Yes.
Okay.
A small piece inside packing. Without sun, 8 days dry. Without sun, 8 days dry.
Without sun. In
Yes.
shade that means.
Yes. Dry one, automatic lock. Automatically roll in and color change, sir.
Okay.
Sun, sir.
Okay. That's how you dry it. Great.
Original cinnamon, outside no smell. Original cinnamon, outside no smell, sir. Outside smell.
Yeah. So we get to smell this.
No.
Almost no smell in this.
7 days dry, good smell inside. 7 days dry, good smell
Okay.
inside. Mhm.
So the oils are deep inside the skin. You have to rub it.
Sun smell.
Yeah, wow. This one is smelling nice. It's the same thing. You just crushed it and now the oils have come out. The aroma is touching my nostrils and it's so fantastic.
Outside smells like chemical spray. Original cinnamon outside no smell. 7 days dry, good smell inside.
Yeah. Can I eat it then?
Yes.
Good enough to eat, right?
Some cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil, sir. Cinnamon leaf. 250 kilograms, only 1 liter stream system. 250 kilograms, only 1 liter
Okay.
stream system. Cinnamon leaf. This one medicine. I
Okay.
use headache pain in 1 dot this side here apply. 1 minute burn in 2 minute 10 minute finish. Headache, tooth problem, nose block, back pain, muscle pain, elbow, anyone good.
So it's a painkiller
Yes,
basically.
Yes.
Okay.
Very famous Sri Lanka Ayurveda. Yeah, look sir. On this smell.
I'm applying it on my hand. Wow, it smells so strong. This is much stronger aroma than the normal cinnamon.
Nose block time. Hot water 1 liter. Cinnamon oil 3 dot mix with full cover in stream inhaler. Black pain, muscle pain, elbow problem. Hot water massage. After apply cinnamon oil. Sugar 10 minutes finish. And cold time. Room spray, bathroom spray. Aromatherapy lamp. full area, good display.
Yeah, great.
Cinnamon Island, small production sale using cinnamon tea powder and cinnamon stick, cinnamon oil. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Tea powder, cinnamon powder.
Okay.
Normal water mixing, 10-minute boiling, filter, drinks. Yeah, good for sugar, cholesterol, diabetic, liver control. Fat burn, good. And cake, pudding, ice cream, yogurt, milk, seed, cinnamon roll, cinnamon bun, cinnamon cake, everything good. Sun cinnamon stick, cooking peppers, curry peppers, chicken curry, dal curry, fish curry, biryani or curry peppers. No chemical, no dust, 7 daily dry, 3 pieces hand packing. Okay, original. This one, medicine, no eat, no drinks. Body apply, outside apply, medicine. Sri Lanka rupees 500, 500, 500.
Okay. Great.